Welcome to Waxahachie Nissan. Everybody been asking me, hey Bill, what's really up with that Titan truck? I say, hey, that's a big boy truck. But let me explain a couple of things for you. It's definitely got a lot of luxury in it. This is the Platinum Reserve with the Platinum Reserve leather. You know, wood grain, leather everywhere. Got your TVs, you know, TVs in the headrests, your navigation.
Extraordinary stories, or even shares.
Got your navigation, you got your camera. And another good thing about this camera is when you're towing, and you know you can tow 9,500 pounds and under with ease, you can be able to bag it up easily, put it in your hitch. Some more stuff to help you, your braking for your towing. Park assist, blind spot indicators, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. Got a lot of great stuff about this truck. There's more great stuff. If you want to know, come out and check it out, and I'll show you up close and personal.